I've always rented. It looks like I always will rent, but I've been just kind of checking into tiny homes and shipping containers, and a logical step would be a trailer. I've actually both a trailer and a manufactured home. I found that the ceiling height just really starts to get on my nerves after a while, and I want something a little higher. A 40-foot high cube containers kind of caught my eye, and I decided to just, it's hard for me just to do something on paper. I need the volume and the kind of the walk through it with my eyes kind of, and so I decided to make scale models and work on different ideas. I saw a YouTube. I'll put it in the description. That I saw on about one, and I liked a couple features that it had. One is it was a shotgun design, meaning that you basically makes sense with a shipping container. You got to walk through every room to get to the back, as opposed to having a hallway. The other thing I liked is they had wall dividers, but they didn't go all the way to the ceiling. So not only did it allow for circulation, it allowed for surface mount electrical work with conduit running, which I kind of like that look. So with those two things in mind, I started to play with some ideas. First was just how many walls to put in, whether I was going to have a pantry or not. And I think I want just two walls as opposed to the third wall that would section off the pantry. Then I just scaled a bunch of things that may suit me. I kind of want a couch out front that I could lay there with a blanket and look out the window at times, as opposed to an easy chair. But the space of a couch on something like this you can see the difference. I put a washer and dryer in there. I don't know if that's feasible, but I'm kind of with apartment living. I've been going to a laundromat, and I wouldn't mind being able to wash things at home. I really don't use a tub, so I kind of did a corner shower, though one of them I put a bathtub in there just to see the scale. And then I don't know if I want a queen size bed or a full size. Queen would be better, full might make more sense for the space, but so I did that and moved around the desk in different ways. The only thing I haven't done in the models is put in windows. I put in one window where I thought it would be nice with the desk on one of the models, and then the rest of them I'm still kind of too chicken to start cutting into them, but I have to do that next. But I thought you guys would like a look at, see what I've done, see what, give you an idea how to just make a little model that you can kind of almost drop yourself down into and walk through with your mind and spin it around and get an idea of spaces and volumes and doorways and that kind of a thing. Anyway, much more to talk about, but thanks so much for watching my video. If you like what I do, I hope you subscribe or at least give it a like, but I really appreciate you coming by. Thanks. Bye.